Diabetic retinopathy is the leading cause of blindness in the U.S. for people aged 20 to 74 years. After 20 years, almost all type 1 diabetic and more than 60% of type 2 diabetic patients have poor or loss of vision. Lanai Community Health Center is committed to reducing the risk of blindness by offering retinal imaging testing for its patients. With our retinal imaging machine, we can prevent an off-island referral and provide a quicker diagnosis. If you would like to make an appointment or have any questions, please call the Health Center at 565-6919, extension 121.